Hi everyone. Today start with new point, that is the import of drug. Import of drug, in that what is the import? Import is the bring good or services into a country from abroad for a sale. Import of drug or import testing, many countries require additional quality control testing upon importation of a drug. Import testing is a good manufacturing and distribution practice are applied. Maintaining this procedure of a import testing could lead to the drug shortage. Now, import of drug in India, no drug shall be imported into India except following places. First, Ferozepur cantonment, Amritsar railway station. In three way, the importation of drug in India. In that first by rail, frontier of Pakistan, Rana Ghat, Bongaon, and Mohishan railway station. By sea, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Cochin, Navaseva, Kandala, and inland Tughlakabad and Padpagaj in Delhi, Kamarajar, fourth in Tamil Nadu, Margum Gaon, fourth in Goa, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. By air, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Goa, Visakhapatnam, Belgaum, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad. These are the places where the importation of a drug in India form. Now, classes of drug prohibited to import, importation of drug under license, and offenses and penalties. You will see today various classes of drug prohibited of a drug importation, then import of drug under license. In that five drug under license by imported, in that specified in schedule C and C1. What is schedule C and C1? That are for biological product, that prescribe biological and other special product. Second, specified in schedule X. Schedule X for habit forming narcotic psychotropic drug. Importation for test and analysis. Fourth point, import for personal use and any new drug. And what are the offenses and penalties, you will see today. Then starting with first, classes of drug prohibited to import. Very important point. Classes, what are the classes? In that first, misbranded drug. Second, drug of substandard quality. You know definition of misbranded drug. Drugs of substandard quality, drug claiming to cure disease, that is specified in Schedule J. Schedule J for claiming to the cure disease, whereas disease where claim to cure disease. Adulterated drug, you know about adulteration of drug. Spurious drug, drug whose manufacture, sale, distribution are prohibited in original country except for the purpose of test, examination and analysis. Then patent and proprietary medicine, you know about, whose true formula is not disclosed. Harmful and unsafe drug. These are the classes of drug prohibited to import. Then next, import of drug under license. In that first, import of drug, biological drug, that are specified in schedule C and C1. For this condition to be fulfilled, in that licensee who is the person that will be import the drug, licensee must have adequate facility for the storage. Main and important condition for biological products, that are the license must have be adequate facility for storage. Licensee must maintain a record of sale. Very important point. It maintain the record of sale. Licensee must allow an inspector to inspect premise and to check the records. The license must furnish the sample to the authority. The license must not sell drug from which sample is withdrawn, and he is advised not to sell and recall the batch from the market. Very important points and conditions to be fulfilled for a biological drug. The next, import of drug under license, that is Schedule X drug, that is a narcotic and psychotropic drug. Condition to be fulfilled for the narcotic and psychotropic drug, in that first, licensee must have adequate storage facility. Then applicant or licensee must to be reputable in the occupation, trade or business. The licensee granted even before should not be suspended or cancelled. The licensee have not be convicted and offences under the Drug and Cosmetic Act or Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act. These are the conditions for import of drug, Schedule X drugs. Then, drug imported for examination, test or analysis. Condition to be fulfilled, in that first, licensee is necessary under form number 11. Very important point in the importation for examination, test or analysis is the licensee is the necessary under the form number 11. Must use imported drugs only for said purpose and at the place specified in the license. Must keep the record with respect to quantities, name of the manufacturer and date of import. Then must allow an inspector to inspect the premise and check the records. These are the conditions for drug imported for examination, test or analysis. Then next, drug imported for personal use. For personal use or research purpose, condition for up to 100 average dose may be imported without the permit provided it is a part of passenger's luggage. More than 100 dose imported with the license apply on form number 12A 12B. Drug must be bona fide personal use. Drug must be declared to the custom collection if so directed. These are the conditions for the drug imported for personal use. Then, import of a new drug without license. Without license for a condition substance not used to the medical purpose. Then, drug is a Schedule C1 required for manufacturing and not for medical use. Then, substance which are both drug and food such as condensed powdered milk, maltose, lactose, pre-digested food, ginger, pepper, cumin, cinnamon. These are the conditions for import of drug without license. These are the import of a drug under license and classes of drug prohibited to the import. Then next point, which documents are required for the obtaining import license. So you discuss the documents required for the obtaining the import license. In that first, the cover letter, very important cover letter. Then form 888 duly signed and stamped by applicant. Then form 9, undertaking you by manufacturer or on behalf of manufacturer. Form 9 is very important. Notarized copy of the wholesale license or manufacturing license. Then labels. Then copy of valid registration certificate RC on form number 41 duly attested by the Indian agent of importer. Copy of permission under the 122A application for permission to the import new drug. In case of new drug, it is a name of inspector. These are the registration certificate of the import of drug. Then last point in the import of drug, there is the offenses and penalties related to the import of drug. In the offenses, import of spurious or adulterated drugs or drug which are involve risk to the human being or animal or drug not having therapeutic value. The penalties 3 years imprisonment and 5,000 fine or first conviction. Then second 5 years imprisonment or 10,000 fine or both in subsequent conviction. Then second offenses, any drug convention contravention of the provision of any notification extended 3 years imprisonment or 5,000 fine or both in first conviction. These are the penalties for the drug conviction of the provision of the any notification. Then any drug or cosmetic other than drug cosmetic, the import of which prohibited or any rule made, 6 month imprisonment, 100 Rs fine or for first conviction, 1 year imprisonment or 1000 for the first subsequent offenses. So these are for today's lecture. Remaining part you will see the next lecture. Today you will see the classes of drug prohibited, what is the import of drug, in that places for import of drug, classes of drug prohibited to import, import of drug under license, in that specified in schedule C and C1, specified in schedule X, that is a narcotic psychotropic, import for testing analysis, import for personal use, and any new drug. These are import of drug under license and offenses and penalties of these. And also I will conduct the document record for the obtaining import of license.